He might be laughing. It's okay. Play with Dylan. Kova's not coming in here. Careful. Don't lean too hard. Good job. Oh, careful, Quinn. We don't want to hurt him, okay? I don't know. He's saying he's happy. Quinn, no, don't do that. Stop. That's enough. You gonna do a dance for him and make him laugh? Where are you going?
Nothing.
Well, come dance for Dylan over here. He can't see you all the way over there. And neither can the camera. Careful. Do a dance for him. Make him laugh and clap. Clap for him. Hey there, buddy. Is she being silly to make you laugh? What you think about all that silliness? Yeah? What you think about all that silliness? Oh, careful. Not too hard. Oh. Whoa, he can't jump yet. He can't jump yet. When he can, you'll be the first to know. Oh, no. Well, it's okay. We have to throw it away, okay? It's okay. It's time for it to go in the trash can. Can you go put it in the trash can? And if you're so good, you can have another one tomorrow, okay? Okay, well, why don't you put it back on the napkin, and I'll throw it away for you, okay? Well, hi there, Dylan. Where's your sister? Where's Quinn? Oh, there she is. Oh, bless you. Yes?
Mommy, what's this? Swing your arms back and forth.
Swing your arms back and forth. Oh, well, if I did that, I would drop the iPad. Oh, Dylan likes it. He's saying that's all crazy like. All right, okay. All right, hands down by your side. Take a deep breath. All right, say calming down. Okay. I think he loves you. All right, Quinn. Remember, we don't spin on the hardwood floor, okay? We spin on carpet, okay? Well, that's a little piece. Still be very careful, okay? Okay, that's enough. Red light, stop. Quinn, red light, stop. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. Are you going to go night-night on the carpet? Oh! Oh, careful. You're still dizzy. Get your buddy and go night-night on the carpet. Okay, go get your pay-pay. Well, hi there. How are you tonight? Yeah, the cough is almost gone. Oh! Oh! Oh, you found the baby keys? Why don't you put them in his hand for him very carefully so he can play with them? Careful, careful. You don't like the baby keys? Oh. Do you have Old Yeller? Oh. Oh, yeah. Careful, Quinn. Don't press on him, okay? I think he does like the puppy. Okay. Hi there. You got that puppy? You have that puppy. You a happy boy? Yes.